Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of apps you will search for Gmail. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.